What's up, everyone? Welcome to eBay Break number 186. Matthew Brunner, first timer, Tua hunting. Let's go. Thanks for joining our break, brother. Really appreciate you. Let's try to get you a fire Tua. We are on eBay Break number 186. All right, we're going to get right into it. We got 1 Illusions Mega Box, 4 Prizm Football Blasters. Also first time. Nice. Thank you. Welcome to the Royalty Sports Card family. We're going to rip this right now. 4 Blasters, 4 Hangers, 1 Illusions Mega Box. Damn, Camo Prizm Tua. Can we even get camos in retail? I thought that was in the hobbies, but I could be wrong. Let's try to get it. All right, we're going to start off, Let's start off with the Illusions. We're going to start off with the Illusions Mega Box. What do you guys want to start off with? Illusions or some Prizm? Let me know. I think we'll do Illusions Mega Box first, and we'll rip some Prizm, all right? Let's go. Levi Count, what's going on? You want to do a hanger first? Let's do a hanger. Stephanie said let's do a hanger. We're going to do a hanger. We'll do a hanger, we'll do a blaster, then we'll do Illusions. How about that? And then we'll just go back and forth. First hanger. Ladies first. Stephanie called it. Let's go. Get Illusions out of the way. All right. Sorry, brother. Do this one first, then we'll do a blaster, then we'll do Illusions, and then we'll go back and forth. How about that? Boom. Personally, I'm liking these hangers a little better than the blasters lately. Let's see, pull some fire tonight. Pulled the fire Justin Herbert last night, orange laser. Pretty clean. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Thank you all for joining. Let's go. Andre Johnson, Mark Ingram, Keelan Cole, Chad Johnson, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jalen Smith, Drew Lock, Zach Ertz, Tyrann Mathieu, Julio Jones, Jimmy G, Kawan Short, Bobby Wagner. We got a green behind Bobby. Let's go. Detroit Lions. Let's go. DeAndre Swift. Ooh, Jelani Taval. Green. Next, we got some red eyes. Sony Michel. Champ Bailey. Hall of Famer Champ Bailey for the Broncos, red ice. Raheem Mostert for the Niners. There should be a rookie here. Let's go, Cincinnati Bengals. Come on, you trolled us all day yesterday. Nice card. Let's go. T. Higgins. Next best thing to a Burrow. We'll take that all day. That's fire. I'll leave that up right now. We got a Texans hype. Deshaun. Texans hype. Deshaun Watson. Let's leave that up for you. And a Michael Warren. All right. Let's go ahead and do a blaster real quick. Boom. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs per blaster. Let's go. Jeremy Chin, let's get a few. Is he on the Panthers? Joe Thomas. Matthew Stafford. Hosea Diguara. Kerryon Johnson, Orange Laser. Kids Reporter. Brandon Cooks. Tyrod Taylor. Trey Flowers. And our Orange Laser. Let's go. Seattle Seahawks. Sean Alexander. Tremaine Edmonds, Austin Eckler, Shaquille Barrett, Damon Arnett, Orange Laser. Jerry Correa, what's going on? Tyler Boyd, Champ Bailey, Juan Jennings, rookie card. Orange Laser, New England Patriots, Devin McCourty. Let's go. Let's heat up. Let's go, Jerry. Let's heat up. Bring the good luck. Kenny Moore. Sterling Shepard. We got a silver Prizm. Let's go. Be there. Arizona Cardinals, D-Hop. Let's go. Nice card if you got the cards. Silver Prizm, DeAndre Hopkins. And then behind it, we got a rookie. Looks like it's for the Rams. Boom. Cam Akers for the Rams. Cam Akers Emergent. Let's go. All right. To this last pack, and I'll sleeve up a couple. Stephanie, who do you have? You have the Rams or you have the Cardinals? Jordan Jenkins, Derrick Henry, AJ Terrell rookie card for the Falcons. Cleveland Browns, we got a rookie Orange Laser Grant Dalpit. Nice card, Stephanie. You got the cards. We'll sleeve up that D-Hop for you. Sleeve up the rookie Orange Laser. All right, now we'll do some illusions, guys and gals. Let's go. Just bear with me while I sleeve up a couple real quick. All right. One more card, and we'll go. Doug Raquel, what's going on, man? Hold on, let me fix this camera angle real quick. All right, let's go. Illusions time. 1 mega box exclusive rookie signs orange or superlative orange autograph per box on average. All right, let's see. We got 7 packs per box. I'll count them out for you. Empty box. Should be 7 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's see if we get some fire out of this Illusions. Boom! First card up for the Chiefs. We got a Patty. Let's go. No number. All right, Zeke. Boom, what do we got here? We got a Robert Woods. Looks like a purple. Look what we got behind this card, guys. Bang! Let's freaking go. 2 time. We got a 2 out of the Illusions. Let's go. We'll sleeve that up for you real quick. We'll sleeve up 2 in Patty. And J.J. Watt. It's a nice looking card. Nice looking Tua. Need that Prizm base next. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hopefully you get some color out of it. All right, next pack. Anthony McFarland Jr. Todd Gurley for the Falcons. And here's a superlative. Let's go. All right. Let's pull from the back. Pull from the back. Rookie card, Bryan Edwards. Taysom Hill. And here we go. It's an auto. Let's go. Boom. Ricky Waters, superlatives for the Philadelphia Eagles. Nice. Pretty nice card, I think. Todd Gurley. All right. Just leave this up for you real quick. It's actually a little thicker. I got to grab a thicker card sleeve across the room. I'll get that in a sec. We'll keep ripping. Very nice signature, for sure. Big Ben. Antonio Gandy Golden. Bang, let's fucking go. Jalen Hurts. What is this? It's like an acetate card. Hold on real quick. Let me put these cards down. Let's check it out. A Mystique. Jalen Hurts. Let's fucking go. Boom, that's fire. The boys got the starting job now. We'll take that all day. Let's go. Yeah, I remember Ricky Waters. Ricky Waters was a beast. Damn, I like that Hurts, though. That's fire. All right. Hurts is on the board. Next card we had Nick Bosa and D-Hop. Nice looking D-Hop. Yeah, man, these cards are nice. Not gonna lie. That Mystique's clean. Especially Jalen Hurts just got the start. Named the starter. That's sick. All right, Drew Lock. Henry Ruggs at third. Let's go for the Raiders. Going out to the Raiders. Sleeve that up. Christian McCaffrey. He's got some kind of number. Nope. Deshaun Watson. And a Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. All right, we'll sleeve that up. Kirk Cousins. And Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. And J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. That's clean. No number. And a Cam Newton. And a Antonio Gibson. Nice. Got a couple to sleeve up right there. Nice, Michael. Glad you're here. Glad you're tuning in and enjoying. Thanks for tapping in with us. Baker Mayfield. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Let's go. For the Chiefs. We'll take it. We got another one of these Mystiques, I believe. Boom. Let's go. DeAndre Swift. Sick looking card. Congrats, Lions. You got you a nice looking, astounding. I thought it was a Mystique. Sick. All right, let's leave that up real quick. Very nice card. Let's go. All right, and the last two cards we had right there was Chris Carson and Josh Allen for the Bills. All right. Last pack of illusions. Let's go. James Morgan. There's a rookie QB for the Jets. Lamar Jackson, let's go. Lamar Jackson, what do we got here? This looks like something clean. Let's go. Instant impact. Instant impact. Boom. Instant impact. Jalen Reagor. No number, but you got a nice little jersey patch in there. Like I said, I got to grab this bit larger sleeves. Kyler. And then I already kind of saw this. I don't know if you guys did, but bang, J-Herb, let's go. Herbert on the back. I know you guys saw that. I ruined it for y'all. I exposed it. Boom, let's go. We'll sleeve that up. I ruined the suspense. My bad. We're pulling some fire, though. Feeling it. Let's put Herbert up there. We'll do the blaster next. Damn. Okay, let me sleeve up a couple real quick. Clyde, let me just sleeve up Clyde. Then we'll keep it going. Here for the Kyler Red Ice. Let's go. It's coming. Let's go. All right, Prizm time. Let's get it. Let's do a blaster. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prizm time, let's go. Laramie Tunsil. Javon Curse. Silver Prizm Tre'Davious White. Fireworks Michael Thomas for the Saints. All right. Stephon Gilmore. Zeke. Quez Watkins. And Quez Watkins Orange Laser right behind it. Kids Reporter. Juju Smith-Schuster. Tyrann Mathieu. Todd Gurley. Seattle Seahawks, DK Metcalf. There we go, Seahawks. That's a nice card. Nice DK. I'll sleeve that up for you. Josh Norman. Zach Ertz. Thaddeus Moss, Randy Moss's kid. Evan Ingram. Kids Reporter. Yes, sir. DK is so beast. CJ Uzomah. Drew Lock. Aeneas Williams. Thaddeus Moss, Orange Laser, going to the Washington football team. It's pretty sick. Gardner Minshew. Jalen Smith. Willie Gay Jr. Baltimore Ravens, Earl Thomas, Orange Laser. Kids Reporter. All right, let's rip a hanger. Let's go, Miami. Let's get a Tua here. Let's get a Tua for the boy. All right, let's get it. Juju Smith-Schuster. Stephon Gilmore. Laramie Tunsil. Marquise Hollywood Brown. Ryan Kerrigan. Keenan Allen. Kenny Golladay. Leighton Vander Esch. Noah Fant. Cameron Jordan. Alan Lazard. Kyler Murray. Dante Culpepper. Paris Campbell Green. Mark Brunell Red Ice. Matthew Stafford, Shaquille Griffin, Eno Benjamin, red ice, Cam Akers Emergent, second one for the Rams, Detroit Lions, Julian Aquara. All right. Let's do a blaster. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kyle Van Noy, Frank Clark, and Jimmy G. Orange Laser, Green Bay Packers, Jordan Love, let's go. Banger for the Packers. J Love, let's leave that up real quick. Where is Ridley? Where's Calvin Ridley? Quarantine. J Love. Hell yeah, Levi. Fire. All right. Jarvis Landry. Deshaun Jackson. Lynn Bowden Jr. Cleveland Browns, Austin Hooper, Orange Laser. Kids Reporter. Yes, sir. You got a buyer. You got a buyer for the J Love. Let them know. Mark Brunell. Warren Moon. We got a silver Prizm. Come on. Be somebody good. Pittsburgh Steelers. James Conner. James Conner silver for the Steelers. And right behind it, got a rookie card. For the Lions, bang. DeAndre Swift Emergent this time. Nice card. Ayuk is coming. Brandon Ayuk. He had a touchdown this week. Let's go. Will Fuller. A.J. Brown. Michael O.J. Mudia. Chicago Bears, Cole Kmet, Orange Laser for the Bears. Nice. Sick. All right, we'll sleeve that up for you right now. Sony Michel. Yeah, NFL is nice right now, man. It's a good draft class. Joey Bosa. Julio Jones. Eric Kendricks, Orange Laser. Myles Garrett. Joe Theismann. Jeff Okuda. Dallas Cowboys, come on. Blake Jarwin. Blake freaking Jarwin. All right. Let's do a hanger. Hanger, blaster, hanger. That's how we'll end the night. Hanger, blaster, hanger. We got to heat up. There we go. Jonathan Ogden. Stephon Diggs. David Njoku. Cam Newton. Golden Tate. Tyreek Hill. Dwayne Haskins. Kerryon Johnson. Daniel Jones. Jared Cook. Devontae Adams. Larry Fitz. I'm sorry I showed you that. Woo! Let's go. That's nice for the Bills. Got the negative photo variation, Jake Fromm. We'll take it. Right behind it, we saw the green Devin Duvernay rookie card. Nice for the Ravens. We'll sleeve these two up real quick. Devin McCourty. Woo! There we go. Finally. Let's go, Chiefs. That's a nice card. Patty Mahomes. There's a vet that's worth something. We'll sleeve that up for you. What a nice hanger. Let's go. Eric Kendricks, this should be a rookie. Come on, keep it fire, keep it fire, keep it fire. Green Bay Packers. Josiah Deguara. Good to know, brother. Thanks for that info. I'll be on the lookout for that. Zeke Fireworks. Nice looking card for the Cowboys. Bang! Laviska Shenault Jr. This is a nice hanger pack. Laviska Shenault Jr. for the Jags. Kids Reporter on the back. All right, we got a few to sleeve up real quick. I like that Patrick Mahomes. It's really nice. My homie. All right, let me sleeve up two more real quick, and we'll keep it going. All right, we're gonna do the blaster next, actually. Pulled out the hanger, but we'll do the blaster next, and we'll do the hanger last. Oh yeah, Mitch. Nice Mahomes. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. JJ Watt. Tyrann Mathieu. Dante Culpepper. Woo! There you go. There's a nice card out of a blaster. Antonio Gibson. Orange laser. Rookie card. We'll take that. Let's leave that up real quick. All right, next pack. N'Keal Harry. Zach Ertz. Christian Fulton. Devontae Parker, Orange Ice. Orange Laser, I'm sorry. Kids Reporter. Big Ben. Drew Lock. Silver Prizm, let's go. Alan Lazard. We got an emergent for the Philadelphia Eagles. It's a QB. Bang! Jalen Hurts, let's go. Let's leave that up. The starting quarterback for the Eagles, Jalen Hurts. Let's go. See how long that lasts. Tre'Davious White, Jalen Smith, Noah Ibn-Ogini, something like that. Orange Ice, Detroit Lions, Jason Huntley, Kids Reporter. All right, we got Joe Mixon, Marvin Jones Jr. Boom, Henry Ruggs III. This is going to be a patch. Nice Henry Ruggs III patch. Nice. Dalvin Cook, Orange Laser. Let's leave up Dalvin Cook. Let's leave up that Ruggs. Kent Zacharias, are you in this one? If you bought a team on eBay, you are. You let me know. What team you got? All right, last pack. This is eBay break 186, I believe it is. 185. Could be wrong. This is the one with an Illusion Mega Box, 4 blasters, and 4 hanger packs. Los Angeles Chargers, let's freaking go. Be there, be there, be there. Mike Williams is not there. Chase Young, Washington football team, let's go. Number 2 pick, Chase Young. Philadelphia Eagles, Brandon Graham. Kids Reporter. All right, let me just leave up Chase Young real quick. Are you in this one? Tua's making you sweat, Matthew. You did get the Illusions one, but I understand you do want the Prizm. We need the Prizm one. All right, last pack magic, last hanger. Let's see if we could pull something out. All right, good luck, last pack. For everyone new, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. trying to hit 1K subscribers there. That way we will be able to stream live on YouTube for you guys. And we are doing a nice giveaway once we reach that mark. We're going to be giving away some slabs, some BGS slabs, a couple Zion, a Jaw, BGS 9.5. I think Jason Dominguez 9.5. I'm thinking about throwing in a pink camo Tua PSA 9. All right, here we go. Seattle Seahawks. Ronald Jones. Kirk Cousins. Cooper Kupp. Myles Garrett. Sony Michel. Will Fuller. Mark Brunell. Dwayne Haskins. Kerryon Johnson. Daniel Jones. Bradley Chubb. Bam, there you go, Colts. Michael Pittman Jr., negative photo variation. We'll sleeve that up. Bam, Jacob Eason Green. Let's go. Baltimore Ravens, Marlon Humphrey. Laurent Duvernay Tardif. Shaquille Griffin. DJ Dallas. Fireworks George Kittle. Joshua Kelly. Kids Reporter. All right, guys, that concludes our break. Thank you all for joining. Sorry, no Burrow, no Prizm Tua, and no Prizm Herbert. I did pull some hits. If you guys want to stick around for the recap, I'll show you what we got. If not, you guys enjoy your night. Appreciate you all for joining. Be on the lookout. We got breaks every day this week and next week. We're doing some basketball next week. We got football the rest of this week. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. Here's our recap. Thanks again. Everything you see on the board there. And then we got, let's go, DeAndre Swift, Astounding. Acetate. T. Higgins, Red Ice. DeAndre Hopkins, Silver Prism. Cam Akers, Emergent. We got two of those. Grant Delpit, Orange Laser. Michael Pittman, Negative. Jacob Eason, Green. DeAndre Swift, Emergent. Chase Young. Dalvin Cook, Orange Ice. Jalen Hurts, Emergent. Antonio Gibson, Orange Laser. Jake Fromm, Negative. Devin Duvernay, Green. Laviska Shenault. Cole Kmet, Orange Laser. Jordan Love, Orange Laser. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, out of the Illusions. And then we got these bad boys. Justin Herbert. Jalen Hurts, Mystique. We got the Tua. And we got the Patrick Mahomes Red Ice for the Chiefs. We got these cards I still got to sleeve up here. We got the auto. The Ricky Waters Superlatives for Philly. Nice auto there. I'll sleeve that up after the break. I got the thicker top loaders across the room. Instant Impact, Jalen Reagor. And last but not least, we got this Henry Ruggs Premier Silver Prism Rookie Patch. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining. Be on the lookout. We got lots of breaks coming up. Thanks again. You guys have a good night. Peace.